want to learn how to tell a joke in Tagalog.
The journey of learning a new language requires lots of practice, lots of talking to those who know the language. This part of my journey through Southern Cavite shows my journey to learn this language. I have heard of the lovely Maragondon area. I have heard of its stunning waterfalls. I've heard of the exhilarating ride to the tunnel where every motorbike rider wants to go. And there are beaches nearby. Maybe on the way back I could stop at a resort. But first, I want to head to Pantihan Falls and see what this place is about. I really wanted to meet some people, to interact. Unbelievable as it sounds, I find it hard to talk to people on camera.
Okay, so I've met these guys on the way, and they started doing this dance. So
There's someone in there. Yeah.
these guys have been very generous, and they're going to take me to this waterhole. Hey, that's me. Yes, that's me. Travel with Rowan. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We're going. Let's go. Come on. Oh, yeah. Arot na! Arot na is, come on, let's go. Isn't it? Yeah. Arot na. Arat na.
Let's go in English. Be careful, Roland.
So I joined the Filipinos and got bare feet. Everybody's bare feet.
And now getting out of here, well, that's a bit of a trial.
Ikaw mo eh, hawakan niya ka namin. Ikaw mo na doon.
Mabigat to si Jiling.
Here we go. Wow. Okay. So I've come out on this high plane. Oh, that was a bit of excitement. I'm going to follow this road around and hopefully it will take me back to my motorbike.
The next part of my journey takes me to Kaybiang Bay. Wow, it's breathtaking.
You've been paying rent here in my head. Tried to fight it off, tried to hold my breath. I keep holding back, trying not to crash right into you. But you look at me like you know something.
There's the monkeys.
It's almost like you see where this thing's gonna go. And well, I think you might be right. I'm thinking maybe I'm way past the point
one quick trip to the tunnel, and then I'm gonna head to the resort, and that's where I'm gonna tell my joke. Yes, I've been thinking about a joke that will help overcome my nerves to speak Tagalog.
Think I like life a little better with you on my mind. Am I into
And so my journey finally takes me to this wonderful water park. My nervous challenge is laid out before me, and now it is time to see the result. Can I really talk to strangers in front of a camera? Armed, locked and loaded with my terrible joke, am I able to break the ice and challenge myself to go higher, better, and improve my Tagalog? Well, here goes.
Let's see if we can get this joke, okay? Ready? Ready? It's a terrible joke because I'm very bad.
It's okay.
I'm very bad. Joke lang. Terrible. It goes like this.
And so, the worst joke in the world is about to occur.
Hindi ako mayabang, pero guwapo ako! Guwapo ako!
Ang gwapo ako. Gwapo ako. Gwapo ako.
Maganda ako.
Mahiyahin.
Mahiyain.
So, Nicole is mahiyahin.
Mahiyain. Yeah.
Mayain. Mayain. I'm practicing. I'm gonna get good at Tagalog one day. Just one day.
And this is not how you tell a joke in Tagalog. But I learned again just how wonderful the Philippine people really are.